Congratulations.
Full support naman. Okay, sure, we're ready to work. 13 na sila eh. Legal na.
Congratulations.
Full support naman. Okay, sure, we're ready to work. 13 na sila eh. Legal na.
Majority rules. Yan naman talaga. This is democracy. Majority rules. Ako naman, gusto kong magtrabaho noon pa. Actually, wala akong absence sa first 6 years ko po sa Senado. Gusto kong katrabaho tayo. Alang-alang na lang po sa mga kababayan natin. Ang gulo na po ngayon. Sana po makabalik tayo sa normal natin na pamumuhay. Dito po ngayon dahil dati na po akong miyembro ng Commission on Appointments. We were advised to attend.
Sir, meanwhile, may kaso po sa Supreme Court, questioning yung June 3, the question of quorum. Paano po yung maapektuhan po ba yung pagdalo ninyo, pagkilala po sa bagong Senate President?
Antayin na lang po natin yung magiging desisyon ng Supreme Court. No comment na po ako dyan. Dahil that was asked of yesterday, questioning the June 3, yung quorum, yung election ng mga officers. Iba naman po ito ngayon. Nandito na tayo sa, sabi ko nga, majority rules. Congratulations sa mga bagong na-elect. Kami pong naiwan dito sa minority po.
Darating po yung iba.
Ay, hindi ko na po alam. Actually, pumunta po ako rito to attend the Commission on Appointments. Regular po ako nag-a-attend ng Commission on Appointments. Ever since. Trabaho lang po ako. Gusto kong makapagtrabaho tayo dahil issue ko po ang magserbisyo sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Alam niyo naman po yun. Gusto ko talagang magtrabaho lang ng magtrabaho. Magserbisyo lang para sa Pilipino. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Back to work naman lahat. Back to work na po kayo lahat.
The work never stopped. You know me, I'm always working. Whether we're here in plenary, galing kami Mindanao, tumutulong sa mga biktima ng earthquake, or umiikot sa mga state universities at colleges, or nakikipag-ugnayan sa iba't ibang grupo. The work has never stopped. The work never stops. And the work will never stop.
So, attend na kayo sa session. Fresh start na to, ma'am, ngayong nangyari. May bagong liderato, 13 sila.
Every day is a fresh start, and we welcome, recognize, and congratulate the new leadership who are dear friends, who are competent public servants, and we in the minority, because I remain to be in the minority, will collaborate for the good of the Filipino people.
So, mama-attend na kayo sa session mamaya, ma'am? Attend na po kayo sa session?
Isa.
So, ma-attend na kayo sa session po this afternoon?
Siguro, 3 o'clock eh.
Kayo and all?
Kasi napasa yung dalawa ko eh. Una, yung aking waling-waling, national orchid. Pangalawa, yung higher education. Napakahalaga nyo. Yung 2018, ginawa ko yung higher education na libre ang pangkolegyo scholarship. Tapos, ngayon, inamend namin at akong chair ng BICAM, yung akong chair ng higher ed, yung amendments to higher education na ratify kanina. So, marami pang ibang mamaya.
So, ma'am, buong minority block po kayo, nire-recognize na ninyo yung bagong Senate?
13 na eh. 13 na. Nung 12, hindi pa. Pero 13 na. Di ba yun naman ang sinabi ko? What is Rule 2, Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate? All officers of the Senate will be elected by a majority of all its members. 24 divided by 2 plus 1 ay mayorya. Diba? Mula sa simula naman ganun eh. Yan. So, sino? Sherwin. Oh yeah. Lahat naman sila. Yung Sherwin and I, ang papa nga niya, araw-araw nag-text sa akin. For family friends.
So, ma'am, tanggap ninyo, pati po ba ng entire minority block, tanggap na yung new Senate?
Oo naman.
Including APC?
Oo. Nag-concede na siya kanina umaga. Oo naman. Simple lang to. pag may mayorya ka ng 24, a majority of all its members, then you have the leadership. Ganon kasimple. Sundin lang natin ang rules, di ba?
Do you think how long will this hold?
I hope it will hold long because I support Sherwin and Tito and Migs. Yes, I've worked with them. Alam nyo, kailan naman nagbibigay ng kulang?
So paano ma'am yung petition?
Ng story.
Oh no, ma'am, alam mo yan.
Petition ninyo sa Supreme
You were a
Court.
journalist
Ano po yung
before.
petition ninyo sa Supreme Court seeking to...
Bibigyan niya ng kalutasan ng Korte Suprema. Kasi ang aming tinatanong, hindi naman yun today. Alam mo naman yun. Diba? Yung nangyari na reorganization noong June 3 na walang 13. Pero ngayon, inayos nila. So, inayos today. Recognize.
All that ends well na kayo. All is well that ends well. Maayos na po. Wala nang bulok.
It doesn't end. All is well. Don't say it ends well. Because life and work must never end.
So ma'am, dire-diretso na ito hanggang impeachment.
Huh? You know, majority or minority? Okay. When we help the earthquake victims in Jensan, tinatanong ba ng aming tinutulungan, majority ka ba? Minority ka ba? Anong chairmanship mo? Hindi eh. Kami halal. 24.2 million Filipinos, perhaps more, elected me. I don't think it's because I'm with the majority or minority or the winning leadership change, di ba? Hindi nasa puso, nasa isip at nasa kamay.
Ang sa tuloy-tuloy na ito hanggang impeachment.
Tuloy-tuloy na ang
Itong ganang composition ng trabaho.
I believe so.
Okay.
Yes, it's already 2 weeks from now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, tatanggapin
Alam mo na yung Article 2,
Of
Section
course.
2, ha? Memorize mo yan.
So ma'am, yung mag-elect daw po ng ibang ng deciding officer, hindi si Senator Gatchalian.
Pag-usapan natin yun. Ha? Sige mo na.
Thank you.
Yan, sumagot ako sa inyo. Marami, ha?